These cycling POV videos are going viral right now, and some creators are getting millions of views using only AI-generated content. One page even gained over 2 million followers just posting videos like this. So in this video, I'll show you the exact free AI workflow to create cinematic cycling POV videos in just a few minutes. No camera, no editing skills, and no expensive setup needed. First, open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for Cycling POV Generator and open the first result. Then click Start the Generator. In a few seconds, the AI gives you multiple cycling route ideas. You can choose one of them or type your own custom idea for a more unique viral video. I'm choosing number 3. Now, ChatGPT instantly gives you two things, an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt and open Google Flow. Select the image generation option, paste the prompt, and hit enter. In seconds, AI generates realistic cinematic cycling POV images for you. Choose the best looking image, click the 3 dots, and select Animate. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it into the animation section. Turn on your video settings and hit enter. And just like that, your cinematic cycling POV video is ready. This type of AI content works extremely well on Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts because people love immersive POV videos. And the best part is you can create unlimited unique videos using the same method. You can make mountain rides, cyberpunk city rides, rainy road POVs, snowy trails, forest rides, or even futuristic routes, all using AI. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials and online earning ideas.